Okay, so we got the engine in the back of the truck. We're actually going to go start the disassembly today. See what went wrong. Definitely, thankfully, we're all going to get new gaskets while we're in there and get this thing all freshened up, and I'll get back to driving. Unfortunately, I have to abandon the 8,000 RPM project because it's just not feasible right now. But either way, I'll be back to driving and we'll build another engine on the side when the funds become available. But seat time is more important, and I need a lot more of that because now that I think about it, I am actually not ready for more horsepower. I was looking at some footage and I need to better my driving before increasing the horsepower. You know, when we're pulling off backies left and right and every possible way, and well, there's more time for improvement. So let's start heading that way. I want to show this off. It's like the best thing ever. It's air ride suspension by Kelderman for the Ram 2500 because factory coil springs really helps when you're backing up to a trailer or you're towing. You know, I can get my cheater angles, like that's my backup into trailer mode or load stuff up. It's pretty cool. You know, just thought I'd showcase that real quick. And yeah, let's get going to Flag Motorsports. In other news, we're making progress on my girlfriend's Mustang. It's a 98 16 valve, or 2 valve Mustang. I really love these body styles. I actually bought these Serbs for her car. I saw them at a junkyard, and man, I practically came to an abrupt, well, no, I did come to an abrupt stop. But yeah, and then we're just test fitting my rear Aglestruce. So obviously it's just a little too wide, but we know the sizes we need. This car is going to be so cool, be perfect for her to get into drifting. And yeah, just a couple of little pieces to switch out and remove some of those stickers. And yeah, this thing will be really fun. Oh, we definitely got to get her a good wheel and an even better seat. So more on this later. Okay, now we're here at the front entrance, so let's find a parking spot and get this engine unloaded. All right, teardown process begins. Let's see what we find.
I would love to see what the cam is before I say that.
Okay.
Look at that. That is crazy.
Take a photo of it.
On all the exhaust valves too. And got some serious scoring right there. Well, let's rebuild. All right. Let's see what we come up with.
I don't see the smell.
Nothing crazy.
All those valves are cooked. Go for it.
There'd be our noises.
Oh my god, that thing is fucked.
It's like a dog got a hold of that lobe.
That's a German Shepherd spec cam right there. Oh my. She done.
I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this thing's ready for retirement.
This was some shit went down right here. Oh yeah, look at that. Oof. Rough stuff, man.
The bearing shell is 43.5.
Shell or shells?
Like the pair. Oh no. It's whether they're 20 or they're either 42, 44, or 46.
So 43.
Yeah.
That's still crazy. Look at all that. Okay, so engine just came apart. Looked into it. It looks like I'm gonna need a new, let's see here if I can remember it all. Pistons, cam, valve train, all that fun stuff. But the engine looks really good. A little bit of polishing here and there, a little bit of repair, and it's ready to go. So yeah, that's better news than I was expecting. And yeah, so now back to Chula Vista to end the day. All right, so it's the next day. I forgot to film the outro, but here we are at work currently doing this, so let's get this done. Anyways, so yeah, engine yesterday, not gonna lie, I was kind of hoping for a little bit better news in the sense that, like, I thought it was just a lifter that had gone bad, you know, replace the cam, the necessary lifter, and then, you know, whatever happens from that point on. But the good news is I'll be able to build a really good engine, at least with the help of Flag Motorsports. You know, big shout out to them. Thanks for coming in on a Sunday and disassembling my engine. We have the root cause, so we're gonna start building. And I'll just be filming as much as I can, everywhere, which way, where I can. Remember to do the whole like, subscribe, comment, share, blah, 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 blah stuff. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. I gotta get to work though. Got a little bit of work to do today.